In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Qlikview file without data in just 5 minutes. Whether you're trying to save on system resources, need to troubleshoot, or simply want to view the file's structure without loading the data, this guide has you covered. Let's begin with the very first step, navigating to Qlik's official website. Qlik has made it incredibly easy to access their platform, and all it takes is typing their URL into your browser. Once you're there, you're greeted with a wealth of information and resources at your fingertips. The next natural step is to log into your account. Look for the login button, usually located on the top right corner of the website. Clicking on this will redirect you to where you can enter your credentials, but before we get there, you must ensure you're accessing the Qlik Cloud. This step is crucial as Qlik Cloud is where all your Qlikview applications and files are managed. Simply navigate through the website until you find the option for Qlik Cloud and click on it. Now, you're ready to sign in. Start by entering your email. Make sure you use the email associated with your Qlik account to avoid any login issues. After entering your email, the next step is to input your password. Remember, password security is key, so hopefully you've chosen something both secure and memorable. Once you've entered your credentials, the moment of truth arrives, clicking the login button. This action will authenticate your credentials and grant you access to your Qlik dashboard if everything checks out. After a successful login, you're propelled into the Qlik ecosystem, but we're here with a mission, say, to open a Qlikview file without loading its data. So our next move is to navigate to the My Qlik home. There should be a clear option to take you there once you're logged in. This is where all your projects, files, and apps are neatly organized. Inside My Qlik home, your eyes should be set on finding the specific application or Qlikview file you wish to open. Applications are usually presented in a visually appealing manner with identifiable icons or names. Once you find the app, it's almost reflex to dart the cursor towards it and open it up. But hold on, we're here to open it without the data. Carefully look for the option to open without data. This might not be front and center, so take your time to find this particular option. This specific action allows you to interact with the structure of your Qlikview file, explore the design and configurations without the weight of data slowing the process. Clicking Open Without Data will load your file in a slightly different mode than you might be accustomed to. Here you can navigate through the layout, check object properties, formulas, and essentially the entire canvas of your work minus the data. It's a fantastic way to debug, train, or just explore without committing to a full data load, which can be time and resource intensive, especially with large data sets. Remember, while in this mode you gather insights, make adjustments, or plan out changes you wish to implement. It's like having a backstage pass to your own work, seeing how everything operates behind the curtain. That sums up how you can open a Qlikview file without data. This feature not only helps in managing resources more effectively, but also offers an uninterrupted way to audit or learn about the file's structure and setup. Whether you're a seasoned user or new to the platform, this functionality empowers you with more flexibility in how you interact with Qlikview files. Just before we wrap up, a few tips to enhance your experience. Always ensure your browser is up to date to avoid compatibility issues. Familiarize yourself with Qlik's interface for a more seamless navigation, and don't hesitate to use the help resources Qlik provides if you find yourself stuck or in need of inspiration. And there you have it. A straightforward guide to opening a Qlikview file without loading its data. With this knowledge, you can navigate Qlikview more efficiently, saving time and system resources, all the while gaining a deeper understanding of your file's structure and setup. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. Happy exploring!